Hi, I'm Jack from Indoor Outdoors, and this is a small part of our range of stake sleeper brackets. We have a range of about 100 brackets that is always growing, so we're always developing new shapes, sizes, models that are going to help with any sort of project with sleepers or garden projects with wood. We have 10 sizes of screws that work very well with our sleeper brackets. They're our own brand, and we do them in stainless steel, which are ideally used for when you're using oak sleepers. The tools you're going to need is just a drill or an impact driver. So the screws do come with the tip you need. You can put them into a drill and simply you screw the screws in. You don't need to drill a pilot hole. Or modern tool, impact driver. They make the job much easier than a drill. Don't forget your hammer, tape measure, string line and a pencil, and you should easily be able to complete your project. This is our single tier corner staked bracket. So it has a stake like the one for the flat, but you can see it's a 90 degree. So you use this in internal corners. I'm going to show you how to use that right now. We've got an internal corner, so same again. You put that there, bang that into the ground. It's quite fun, easy to do. Just make sure you've got a 90 degree corner and make sure these are level and you've got your string line ready. What you need to do under your sleepers, ideally you want to put some crushed concrete or MOT type 1. This will help the drainage, so water will drain away from the sleeper so the sleepers won't rot away. This is galvanized steel, so this will last you a lifetime. You have no worries about that. So I'm going to bang that in now and I'm going to come back to you in a second. Now it's fully banged in to the correct height I want it. It's square, level. So we're going to take our SleeperFit screws, which we design, develop and manufacture, come in a nice clamshell packaging. We're going to take one, put that in the magnetic bit that is supplied. I'm going to use an impact driver, but you can use a drill as well. We don't need a pilot hole. And simply start slow with lots of pressure. You see it grips in there really nice and tightly. So there you go, all nice, safe, secure. We take our screws out the way and we do them in powder coated black, powder coated brown and a bare steel finish. This will rust and give a wonderful patina. This is a galvanized steel finish and that will last 100 years. These brackets are suited for the internal. We also do this in 2-tier tool as well. So if you want to do another tier on top of this, these are going to be longer. And we also have a 3-tier version as well. Remember, we have 100 variants. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any queries or you need some help with your project, feel free to contact us. Just give us a call. We'll gladly help you through your project and to what brackets you need. Remember, this is just a small example and we do have a range of over 100 and it's always growing at all times.